Hazrat Zayd bin Arqam radiyallahu anhu says, in the journey we were along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the people had to experience straitened circumstances, whereupon Abdullah bin Ubay said to his companions, "Do not expand on them until they disperse," and said, "If we return to Medina, the one most honorable will surely expel therefrom the one most mean." So I reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and appraised him of it, whereupon he sallallahu alaihi wasallam summoned Abdullah bin Ubay and interrogated, but he took an oath and said that he had not made any such statement. The people floated that Zayd bin Arqam has told a lie to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this statement of the people severely hurt my heart until Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed chapter The Hypocrites in my testification. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then summoned those hypocrites in order to seek Allah's pardon for them, but they turned their heads around. That is why Allah Jalla Jalaluhu declared them wooden beams fixed to a wall, and they were also extremely good looking. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4903.